maximum height of the projectile. So we go with maximum height of the projectile now. So here we go with maximum height of the projectile. So what is mean by maximum height of the projectile? Here a time of height, the time height, okay na, a time t is equal to m, the height is reached to maximum, the height is reached to maximum, so that is called maximum height, maximum height of the projectile. So how to calculate the maximum height of the projectile? So by using the vertical action. So vertical component. So what is our vertical component here? That is y is equal to u sin theta t minus of gt square, right? But we know that distance y is equal to what we take here, height at maximum. That height is at maximum. That I am writing here in y place h maximum, and u sin theta, and we are, what is t? T means tm. What is Tm? Maximum time. Time at maximum. That is, we already know that is u sin theta by g. U sin theta by g. Okay. So now this t is equal to Tm u sin theta by g. U sin theta by g substitute here. U sin theta by g substitute here. So therefore u sin theta into Tm is equal to u sin theta by g minus half into g u sin theta divided by g into whole square. So therefore, so what is the value here? So value is equal to h maximum is equal to u sin theta into t. U sin theta into t. U into u square. U into u square, and sin into sin theta, sin square theta, u square sin square theta, that is u square sin square theta, u square sin square theta by g minus 1 by 2 g gets cancelled, that is u square sin square theta, u square sin square theta. So u square sin square theta minus 1 by 2 u square sin square theta, but g gets cancelled here. So here actually g into g square, here 1 g cancel, 1 g is cancelled. So therefore u square sin square theta by g. So therefore h maximum is equal to, I am writing h maximum is equal to u square sin square theta by g minus 1 by 2 u square sin square theta g. U square sin square theta by g full minus u square sin square theta by g half here, or this is u square sin square theta by g common. So we get 1 minus 1 by 2, that is directly half minus, this is full done, take 1, this is half minus half, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2 u square sin square theta by g. In simple, 1 take 1, this is 1 minus 1 is 1 by 2, or u square sin square theta by t, u square sin square theta by g common, we get 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2, also 1 by 2 u square sin square theta, that is h maximum is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. U square sin square theta by 2g is the maximum height of the projectile. The maximum height of the projectile is u square sin square theta by g. So now we go with the horizontal range of projectile. After we go with the horizontal range of the projectile. Okay. The next one is, next topic is, this is also important, and h maximum also important, u square sin square theta by g. Note down, u square sin square theta by g. So now, so what is our topic? horizontal range of the projectile. So what is the horizontal range? What is horizontal range? Nana? This is our projectile. This is the angle theta. Horizontal range is maximum distance covered by the particle in a horizontal. So maximum distance covered by the projectile. Not here. Particle means projectile. So this is called horizontal range. Okay. X direction. In x direction, this is called horizontal range. So we go with range. What range? That is horizontal range of the projectile. Range means horizontal range. Horizontal range of projectile. So horizontal range of the projectile. So what is mean by horizontal range of the projectile? Already we are discussing. Total distance traveled by horizontal. Okay now? Projectile. Horizontal range of projectile. Horizontal range of projectile means the total horizontal distance. Total horizontal distance. This is the total horizontal distance. The total horizontal distance traveled by the projectile. Total horizontal distance traveled by this projectile from initial to final. This is the final position. From initial to final. So that is called horizontal range. This is called horizontal range. Okay. So what is the time taken by the horizontal projectile here? That is the time taken by the projectile to reach initial, to reach final position. What is the time? That is nothing but time of flight. That is nothing but time of flight. So time of flight. This time is equal to time of flight. Total time of the projectile to complete initial position, to complete this point. So that is nothing but a time of flight. So therefore, time is equal to time of flight. Time is equal to time of flight. So what is time is equal to time of flight? That is TF, nothing but TF, time of flight. Okay. What is the time of flight formula? What is time of flight formula? U sin theta by G. 2u sin theta by G. U sin theta by G is the half of the time. So this is sin theta by G. This is the total time. 2u sin theta by time of flight is equal to this is the time. But we want range. I want range. Range means range means distance, maximum distance. Nothing but horizontal range projectile is nothing but horizontal range projectile. What is means? The total horizontal distance, this distance covered by the projectile from initial to final. The time, we know that time is equal to 2u sin theta by G. So but we want distance, nothing but distance. So distance is equal to, what is the formula of distance? Distance is equal to, we are right, velocity into time. Velocity into time. So what is velocity here? Nothing but distance is equal to velocity into time in this range, this one. Okay. So that is, sorry, here we call that is range, horizontal range. Okay, distance is equal to distance is equal to speed into time. So that's why I am writing range is equal to velocity into time. The range is equal to velocity into time here. So velocity in which direction? This direction, horizontal direction. So that's why this is a range or displacement. Okay, na? Or distance also, because distance or displacement is same in this direction now, straight line direction. So that's why velocity. So what is velocity? U cos theta. U cos theta. Horizontal always u cos theta into time. So what is the time now? 2u sin theta by G. this is range. Range is equal to u into u square. Therefore range is equal to, that is u into u square, 2 u square, 2 into u square cos theta sin theta. Sorry, I am writing here u square 2 sin theta cos theta. u square 2 into sin theta cos theta, so divided by g. So therefore range is equal to u square 2 sin theta cos theta. What is the formula of 2 sin x cos x? Sin 2x here. So 2 sin theta cos theta is the formula of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. U square sin 2 theta by g. U square sin 2 theta by g is the range of the project. Okay, range of the project. Here, what is the maximum height? What is the value? What is the formula of maximum height? So maximum height is equal, we are getting, that is u square sin square theta by g now. Remember, u square sin square theta by g. U square sin square theta by 2g, I think. U square sin square theta by 2g is the maximum height. Range is equal u square sin 2 theta by g. This is the difference. U square sin square theta by 2g. Here u square sin 2 theta by g. U square sin 2 theta by g. That is the difference. Okay. See the difference. Range is equal u square sin 2 theta by g. This is also important. Okay. So here when the range is maximum, means how, when for example sin 2 theta is equal to 1, we get maximum range. So here I am writing sin 2 theta is equal to, I am writing sin 2 theta is equal to 1. So 2 theta is equal to 1 means theta is equal to how much now here? Sin 2 theta is equal to 1 means theta is equal to 45 degrees. I think sin 2 theta is equal to 45 degrees. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. So here theta is equal to 45 degrees. Sin 90 is 1. So range, when theta is equal to 45 degrees, when theta is equal to 45 degrees, which means the projectile, okay na, projectile theta value, the projected theta value 45 degrees, which means we are projected with theta is equal to 45 degrees. With theta is equal to 45 degrees, we get maximum range. We get maximum range of the projectile. So therefore that is, what is the maximum range? Theta is equal to 45 degrees. So therefore range is equal to u square by g. U square by g. When it is possible, when theta is equal to 45 degrees. When theta is equal to 45 degrees, we are projecting with we are projected object with theta is equal to 45 degrees, we get a maximum range. Okay na? This is also important point now. This is also important point. So remember that point. So now see the formulas here. These are the formulas or topic. This is the projectile. What is our topic here? Our topic is projectile. Okay. So these are the formulas for projectile here. So y is equal to x into tan theta minus half g u square sin square cos square theta into x square. So we get this path of the projectile is parabola. So here we are writing a is equal to tan theta and b is equal to g into u square cos square theta by g by u square cos square theta. So therefore that a is nothing but in the form of y is equal to ax minus bx square. So this y is equal to x minus bx square is a parabolic equation. Therefore the path of the projectile is parabola is proved. Therefore the path of the projectile is parabola. So this is already completed. So now Tm is equal to u sin theta by g. We know that. That is maximum time. Maximum time. So maximum time is equal to where? U sin theta by g. And what is this? This is the formula for Tf, time of flight. Time of flight. Total time. Complete the projectile. Total time to complete one projectile from initial to final. So that time is equal to u sin theta by g. What is the time? It maximum time. Maximum time means the projectile to reach at maximum height. Time taken by the projectile to reach maximum height. So that is called time of maximum time, that is u sin theta by g. See here, see the relation between maximum time and time of flight. So maximum time and time of flight is Tf is equal to, I am writing, take capital Tf. Tf is equal to 2 into u sin theta by g. U sin theta by g is nothing but 2m. Okay, this is the time of flight, relation between time of flight and maximum time. Tf is equal, we are writing 2 into Tm. Why Nana? Here maximum time means time taken by the particle to complete maximum height. Time taken by the projectile to complete maximum height. This is the maximum height. Okay, this is u sin theta by g. So here remaining half also u sin theta by g. So therefore u sin theta by g plus u sin theta by g to u sin theta by g. So that's right. Total time of flight is nothing but 2 into maximum time. 2 into maximum time. And h maximum is equal to u square sin square theta by g. Okay, na? This is the maximum height formula of projectile, maximum height of the projectile. Next, that is r. R is range. Range is equal to u square sin theta sin 2 theta by g. See the difference here also. And we get maximum range when theta is equal to 45 degrees. We get maximum range, that is r is equal to u square by g. Okay, na? So remember these formulas, Nana. These formulas are very important for 4 marks. This is a 4 marks question. And time of maximum time and time of flight also 1 4 marks question. And maximum height and range, this is also 1 4 marks question. Here we are dividing in 3 parts. This is one part, this is another part now. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. 3 parts are important for 4 marks. 4 marks, 4 marks, 4 marks. Okay, remember it.